Pakistan, under the leadership of the Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif and the Ministry of the Foreign Affairs, standing resolutely with the people of occupied Kashmir, has intensified diplomatic outreach to expose the Indian state oppression in the occupied territory. Pakistan always supports dialogue and diplomacy, and it has again offered dialogue for the resolution of the disputes. As the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting the United Kingdom, British government has declassified and released a trove of the documents, including a report by the World Sikh Parliament, detailed alleged transnational repression of the Sikh activists by the Indian state actors. The documents published via the National Archives and the parliamentary evidence submissions have ignited scrutiny over India's alleged targeting of the diaspora Sikhs, particularly those advocating for the Khalistan or criticizing the New Delhi's policies. Ahead of the 6th anniversary of the revocation of the Article 370, which stripped the occupied Kashmir of its special status, a coalition of the Indian and the Kashmiri political leaders, activists and the former bureaucrats convened in New Delhi to demand the restoration of the article. The meeting, organized by the Forum of the Human Rights in Jammu and Kashmir, coincided with the ongoing monsoon session of the Indian Parliament, aiming to push for the parliamentary discussion on the issue. High Court has upheld the detention of a Kashmiri youth, Rahmatullah, under draconian the Public Safety Act, despite allegations of the procedural violations and arbitrary application of the law. The High Court dismissed the petition challenging the PSA detention of Rahmatullah, son of the Abdul Ghani Padar, a resident of the Desa Bhatta, Doda. Indian government has formally admitted that the farmers in occupied Kashmir are being forced to sell their produce at the rates below the cost of production, causing serious harm to their livelihoods. The revelation came in response to a state question in the Indian Lok Sabha, where Agriculture and the Farmers Welfare Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan acknowledged that despite hikes in the minimum support prices, many farmers, especially in occupied Kashmir, are unable to access or benefit from the scheme. India has pushed hundreds of ethnic Bengali-speaking Muslims into Bangladesh without due process, the Human Rights Watch said, accusing the government of flouting rules and fueling bias on the religious lines. Hindu nationalist government of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has long taken a hardline stance on the immigration, particularly those from the neighboring Muslim-majority Bangladesh.